This one's on the quiz.
Oh boy. Wait.
Tomorrow. I'm gonna find you in your houses. We're having a quiz tomorrow.
I'm not gonna be in my house, so you can find me.
That's okay, I know them. Time equals 0. We are 1, 2. 3 points out, 0 points up or down. Now notice the direction of the arrows are going up. Pi over 2, we're right here. Pi over 2, we are at 0, 2. Pi, we're all the way to the left. 1, 2, negative 3, 0. 3 pi over 2, we're down at the bottom there. So that's 0, negative 2. And then 2 pi, we're back at the beginning. 3, 0. Let's put a hold on this. We want an equation for x. We want an equation for y. We can take these separately. If we think about x versus t, now x is usually our horizontal axis, but t defines x, so x depends on t. T goes from 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. Whereas x starts at 3, pi over 2, it's at 0, pi, we're at negative 3. 3 pi over 2, we're back to 0, 2 pi, we're back at 3.
It's all coming back.
Said back in September, it's not going away.
I was in denial.
This is the unit, sir. Hey, that looks familiar. It's a cosine wave.
What is that?
Yes, Derek.
Yeah, Derek.
What's the period?
Pi. 2 pi.
2 pi until it repeats. 2 pi. So our b coefficient.
It's up to read amplitude.
It's pi over b.
2 pi over b equals 2 pi. So 2 pi divided by what gets us 2 pi?
2 pi.
1. Why is that t?
Because it's our variable t.
How do we know
Where is
the
this
phase
one
shift?
coming? Oh.
We start at the top. We don't need a phase shift here because it's at 0.
And there's no vertical displacement?
What's the midline? Give him a break. Good question. Yeah, we're remembering all those parts exist. Yeah. We're adding 0. The midline is at 0. There's no phase shift because we're starting horizontally at 0.
Yes.
So does that mean that now we have to do a sine graph for y?
Oh, is it a sine wave?
I believe it is because it's
I believe
Well, we're going 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, 2 pi. We know that time is 0, y is 0. Pi over 2, we're up to 2. Pi, we're at 0. 3 pi over 2, we're at negative 2. 2 pi, we're at 0.
yay.
a whole period.
I'm sorry.
Love the industry. Two
Seeing how much I got left.
of t.
I'm going to take this, put this into the calculator.
Oh gosh.
Oh, those are. Oh, wow.
So we are in parametric. We're in radian.
Radian, okay. So I was doing math yesterday and I had to change my calculator back.
You got to watch out for radians degrees.
And then it works.
So we have 3 cosine t We have 2 sine t. Here's what we should look like. Now our window, -5 to 5. Okay, nope. We're going 0 to 2 pi. That's e. 0 to 2 pi.
Wait, is it 2 sine t or 3 sine t? What was it?
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
No.
Oh no, it didn't work.
I feel like you played this whole.
It's an oval.
It's an ellipse. There's no such thing mathematically as an oval. It's an ellipse.
Well-shaped please.
It's an ellipse.
Is it? Wait.
What's an oval?
An oval is 2 circles with different radii.
Shape.
Circle has the same shape.
An ellipse. An ellipse is. Where'd that brown marker? I didn't have a brown marker in my pocket. That's good.
Yeah.
We've got a combination of.
2 circles.
We missed something. We missed something. You missed your dog, yes. All right. Notice
Oh, those middle points.
we missed those middle
So
points.
there's the third equation.
No, we need to adjust our height. Cosine, our x values, we went to the left, then we went back. So horizontally, we went to the left, we went to the right. Horizontally, we went to the left, we went to the right. But vertically, we need to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Notice vertically. Here, I'm going to look at this. So t compared to our y, we start down. We're going down, and then we hit 0 again for the y. And then we go up to the top for the y. But then we go back down to 0 for the y. Then we go down to a low point for the y, and we go back up. There's pi. So we went, I'm trying to do this. Started at 0, went down to 0, to up, to 0, to down to 0. And then we went back up, back down, continue going down. That's at 3 pi over 2. Then we're back up, down to 2 pi. So if we look at the y value went down, up. So 1 down, 1 up, 2 down, 2 up, 3 down, 3 up. 1 down, 1 up, 2 down, 2 up, 3 down. So we actually need 3 cycles in there. We missed all those ups and downs. We have how many cycles over the course of 2 pi? How many periods is that?
3.
There's 1 period, 2 periods, 3 periods.
But I drew it on the paper.
How many periods was that?
No, that's X though.
Those 2.
Why?
We had 3 periods. 3 periods. 1, 2, 3. There's one other thing we need to change.
X1.
Nope, the x is fine.
Really?
Where does sine start on a graph?
It's negative. It
At
should
the
be
top.
negative.
We could use a phase shift, or we start going down. Negative.
So how many points am I putting on this graph? Dude, I really wish I was just.
See that? I'm going to change the y.
Oh, yeah.
Negative 2 sine 3t. I'm going to change my t step to be 0.05, 0.01, because I want to see more points there. that's what we want. Oh, it's going down, just like the arrows. Then it's going up. Then it's going down. It's like a hard candy in the wrapper kind of thing. Oh.
What minute is this at? So I can rewatch it.
It's the second video.
So like,
What minute is it at?
yeah.
9.
Okay. So we'll go back to it.